Hi everyone, today I'm doing a festive makeup tutorial. I've kept the focus on the eyes for this look. I've done this smoky green eye which is really easy and simple to do and perfect for the festive season. You can buy all these products from Nykaa.com. I've already bought quite a few things from the Freedom sale and I'll show you those in another video maybe. So I'll put all the links to the products in the description box below. You can also check out the hot deals section where you can get a lot of products at a very discounted price. I'm going to start with my base. I'm using the Lakme CC cream in the shade bronze and I'm just going to apply this all over my face. This will just even out my skin tone and give me a bit of coverage. After the CC cream, I'm going to use concealer and I'm using the L'Oreal Paris True Match Concealer. I'm going to dot this around my eye area. I'm also covering my lids because I've got some pigmentation there. This is a really blendable concealer. It blends to a very natural finish and gives good coverage. To prevent the concealer from creasing, I'm just going to apply a little bit of powder. I've used the L'Oreal Paris Matte Magic powder and I've also used this on my T-zone. For my cheeks, I'm using an earth toned blush. My current favorite is by Color Bar. This is the shade Earthy Touch. It's a very soft earth toned color. It's got a slight peachy tone and it also has a bit of shimmer, so you don't need to use a separate highlighter as it adds a bit of glow. For my eyes, I'm going to mix these two eyeshadows from the Lakme Eyeshadow Quad in Tanjore Rush. I've mixed the colors on the back of my hand and then I've applied them to my lid. Mixing the green and gold creates this beautiful olive gold color that looks really beautiful on Indian complexions. Once I've applied the color on the lid, I'm just going to blend it with a clean brush and then I'm going to take a little bit of the blush color, the Color Bar Earthy Touch blush that I used on the cheeks, and I'm going to use this in my crease just to add a bit of a neutral color there and make the transition easier. Then I'm going to use the Lakme Iconic Kajal in green and I'm going to line my lower waterline and lash line quite heavily with this. I've then used a pencil brush to smudge that green kajal a little bit more, and I'm then using the same olive gold eyeshadow combination that I mixed up along my lower lash line. And for the inner corner also I'm using a bit of that gold eyeshadow from the same Lakme Quad. Next I'm going to line my upper lash line and I'm using my favorite Maybelline black gel liner for this. I'm going to do a winged eye here, so I'm just winging the liner out. Once the black has dried, I'm using that green Lakme Iconic Kajal again and I'm running it along my upper lash line over the black liner and then going back in with that pencil brush to softly smudge the green liner. So what I now have is a smoky, dark, rich green liner. And to finish off the eyes, I'm just going to curl my eyelashes and apply a mascara. I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Volume Mascara in black and I'm using the waterproof version. Don't forget to do your bottom lashes as well. You can just tilt your head somewhat forward so that you don't get any mascara on your skin, and that finishes the eye look. Coming back to the face, I'm just going to use some lip gloss and I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinaire Lip Color in the shade Rose Finale, which is a beautiful soft pink color. You can also use a soft coral or a nude lip color for this look. The idea is to keep the focus on the eyes. And that is the finished look. This is a nice break from the traditional gold and copper bronze colors, but it still looks quite festive in my opinion. All the products that I've used in this video are available at Nykaa.com, so you can buy these from the Freedom sale and I'll put the links to all the products in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll be back with another video very soon. Bye.